French giant signs up to help Icelandic volcanoes power UK homes by Mark Kleinman, city editor. A multi-billion-pound project aimed at using the power generated by Icelandic volcanoes to fuel British households has lined up a major French infrastructure investor to back its development. Sky News has learnt that Meridiam, a global asset manager helping to fund the expansion of New York's LaGuardia Airport, has agreed to write a multi-million-pound check to finance part of the development cost of a new 1,000-mile-long pipeline between Iceland and the UK. The venture, Atlantic SuperConnection, is the brainchild of Edie Truell, a major Conservative Party donor and Boris Johnson's former pensions advisor. Chinese, Canadian, Middle Eastern and under the Atlantic seabed, and which he claims would be generated far more cheaply than power from the planned Hinkley Point nuclear power station in Somerset.Meridiam's prospective involvement in the new power generator would make it far from the only French influence over Britain's energy mix. Hinkley Point is being partly funded by EDF, the vast French state-owned utility which also owns one of Britain's big six domestic gas and electricity suppliers. The Atlantic SuperConnection would use geothermal and hydroelectric power generated by Icelandic volcanoes and hot springs to supply electricity to hundreds of thousands, and potentially millions, of UK households. Mr. Truell also wants to build a factory in the northeast of England to manufacture the copper or aluminium cable that would be used for the pipeline, a move that would create a substantial number of jobs. Under the financier's plans, the Atlantic SuperConnection could begin supplying power to British homes before the end of 2020. French giant